As we get closer to first hollow stem, this is a great time to remind you of a tool from the Oklahoma Mesonet to help you decide when to pull your cattle off your wheat.
Okay, this is a really great tool that we developed over the past, say, 5 to 10 years using 17 years of first hollow stem dates in the regional research plots around here. And we found that the goal was to develop a weather-based model that could predict when first hollow stem would occur, because that's the date when you want to remove your cattle from your wheat fields to minimize your loss from your wheat. Leaving cattle on after that will decrease your yield, research has shown. But we did the research and we found that 4-inch soil temperatures under vegetative cover were best correlated with these first hollow stem dates. And so what we developed were 3 different mathematical models for 3 different classes of wheat varieties, depending on if they have first hollow stem early in the season, in the middle of the season, or toward the end of the season. And then we put these models on a very useful product on the mesonet.org website. You can find it in the agriculture section of that website, and it's called the First Hollow Stem Advisor. And what it offers are the current conditions across the state in map form, and it gives 1 and 2 week projections based on the average, and those maps have a legend that shows the probability levels of first hollow stem occurring the current time, 1 week from today, and 2 weeks from today. And it's color coded so that once you get to the above 5% level, they turn from blue to green. Once they get over 50%, they turn from orange to red. And what we encourage growers to do is to, if they can, have time to scout the ungrazed portion of their wheat field once that level gets to 5%, just as a conservative measure. People who don't scout, we encourage them to definitely remove their cattle by the time the probability reaches the 50% level. We also have charts and tables which can be accessed for individual Mesonet sites, and they give the current through the 2 week projection period, and there's a line showing the 50% and the 5% probability level, so they can see at a given Mesonet site when those 5 and 50% levels are predicted to be reached.